I want us to today look at motion graphs, the motion graphs. This topic is linear motion, so we want to look at now the motion graphs. And I'll start by saying that the variation of distance, the variation of displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration, the variation of distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration with time can be represented graphically. We can represent the variation of distance with time, the variation of displacement with time, the variation of speed with time, the variation of velocity with time, and the variation of acceleration with time. We can represent them graphically.